to put fractions on iPhone calculator. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the calculator app on your mobile device. Once inside calculator, you can see calculator icon available at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then simply tap on the scientific option available there. Inside scientific, at the top right, you can see 1 by x option available there. You can use the 1 by x button. Enter the denominator of the fraction and tap the 1 by x button to get fraction's decimal value. Now, if you want to get a fraction value, the default iPhone calculator does not have a direct fraction input, but you can still work with fractions using these methods. Or you can simply open the calculator app and enter the numerator, the top number. After you enter the numerator, like let's choose 8 as the numerator, then divide and enter the denominator and press equal to get the decimal result. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.